welcome back. I'm Sam and today I'm going to be showing you guys me getting rid of half my wardrobe. It's in my cupboard at the moment and I got some on my bed. I want to get rid of like so much stuff because I don't like it all. And I'm changing rooms into a different room and I don't really want to take everything with me because like I don't want it, I don't wear it, I don't wear half the stuff in my wardrobe, so I'm getting rid of it or trying to sell it. Rubbish bags, let's go. Clothes, I literally don't even wear half of them. I'm gonna chuck out most of them. My chuck out pile, and that's my keeping pile. So now I've finished doing my cupboard with I've done my clothes, and then I also did, so I've got my swimmers and my activewear in there, I've got shorts in there, so that's Nathan's South Pack kids, and then I've got in here my bra and my undies, and I've got a bag in there at the moment, that's got to go in the other room. There's all other stuff that I've got to go and put into the other room, my school clothes, and then the socks down here, and then my makeup here, that's my jewelry, more makeup, and my scrunchies and more makeup, bits and bobs and stuff, and then I've got my nail polish in there, and then I've got all my other stuff that I need to keep in that box. Me and Nathan are now going down to Kmart so I can have a look at some stuff.
How's it going?
He's driving. I mind, I'm gonna get this black wire basket and I'm gonna get 2 of these tray things at Target. Oh, the sign lights up now.
Oh.
Yeah. And I got a multi-level storage boxes so I can put my jewelry in it, so I have nowhere to put my jewelry. Now we're going to Coles. We're home now. It's been a while since we actually got home, but we had dinner. And I put my jewelry into the case. I have my perfumes in the little tablets. All the personal stuff in my top drawer. It's getting late now, so I'm going to bed. I need to get up in the morning, and then I'm gonna go and get my new phone as soon as they open. And I'm going to go over to check out the carpets, see how much they are, and when I can get it laid. I'm gonna keep going with the new room and cleaning it out. I'm gonna go to sleep now, so I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning guys, it's the next day and I'm just getting up now to go and have a shower and get dressed. So, Mom! Guys, so I'm at my grandparents' house at the moment and I wanted to show you my phone. I decided to get the 11 Pro Max and I was gonna get just the normal 11, but I decided to get the 11 Pro Max on the way there. So you guys are here and you can watch me open it. I'm literally so excited. I've been wanting to open it, but I was like, I'm gonna just wait until I get home. Oh, it's so big and pretty. Oh, I decided to get the black one because I used to have a gold, but I had a white before that. And I thought I'd get a black. There's something different. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm gonna go set it up and then I'll show you guys what it's like when it's set up. So I'm back home now. It took forever to set up my phone because my pop doesn't have Wi-Fi and it's not working yet. So I had to wait till I got home to set it up properly, but I'm on it right now and it's so pretty. I know it's like the same size as my old phone because I had the iPhone XS Max, but this time I got the 11 Pro Max and it's so nice. Like the quality like on the selfie camera is so much better than my old phone. So yeah, but I'll show you guys in the mirror what it looks like. It's so pretty. Look at it. All messed up. Oh my god, look, you can see my baby born. This is my baby born that I had when I was a child. I have it up the top of my cupboard because I can't let go of memories, so I have a baby born that I put up in that cupboard, but I had to pull it down because I wanted to get my box out where I wanted to put my phone box into up there. That's why it's out on my bed, which I have to put back up. But right now I've got to go finish cleaning out the room because we're getting carpeting tomorrow, which is very exciting. We're getting a dark grey, but I'll show you guys in the morning when they get here what it's going to look like. But for right now, I'm going to clean out the rest of the room. So I'm in my new room now. Nathan's literally just pulling up. I didn't really film the whole time because I could finish it today because carpet layers are coming tomorrow at 8:30, so I had to get it done. But I'll show you guys what it looks like now. So we took up all the floorboards and all of everything that was underneath that. The freezer's still in here. I'm going to take that out. I'm going to take that stuff out. But this is the room. It's so pretty and big, and the beautiful, lovely windows. I'm going to get paint to paint these cupboards, and I'm going to repaint these. So right now I'm in the Bunnings car park. I have to go into Bunnings and get a few things, which I'll show you them when I get them. So I'm finished in Bunnings, and I was way too nervous to film because I was by myself. I'm back in the car now, and I just realized what the time was, and I have to go and pick up pizza and make it back before 6 o'clock. So I will tell you guys when I got home what I got. So I'm home now, and it's been a while. We had dinner. We had pizza for dinner from Domino's, which was so good. Right now I'm editing my everyday natural makeup tutorial. I'll leave that video down in the description and also up there. I'm just editing it at the moment. I'm gonna wait for the video to render and export. But got was light bulb, some paint so that I can paint these cupboards. And also in here I'm gonna paint them white. And then I got paintbrush, mushroom knobs. Because on the cupboard I have these little holes here, and I'm going to put these in so that I can have somewhere to pull my cupboards open. It's out. So now I'm just about to start painting. This is what it looks like now. I have paint on my face. But I'm just gonna wash this off my face and then after that I'm just gonna hop into bed and then write down what I have to do tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It is the next day, It's the 24th. I've been filming for the last 3 days and been working, cleaning out the room for the last 3 days. Today the carpet is getting laid, which I'm really excited about. They're coming in about an hour or an hour and a half, so I've got to wait for them. And then I'm going to put on my furniture in, which is really exciting. But I'm going to go check how my paint worked and how it was last night. I just finished doing the handle. Now we're just still waiting on the carpet people to come. The carpet people just arrived and now the carpets are getting laid. I'm not going to film the people carpeting because I don't think I'm even allowed to do that. So I'll show you guys what it looks like at the end. Hey guys, so I just had a shower while I was waiting and it's done. The carpet, so pretty. It went inside the cupboards as well. But I love it. I'll show you guys better. Now that the carpet's in, I'm going to bring in all my furniture. Right now we're gonna go down to Kmart and buy a few more things, and I'm not gonna film when I'm down there, but I'll film when we get back and I'll show you guys what I got. Hey guys, so it's the next morning. I forgot to end the vlog, but I got mirrors that I'm gonna put onto the doors. And what else did I get? These things, I have one that there's another one in Nathan's car, but I have to go and get it out, and it's got our shoes in them because there was no room in the cupboard for shoes. And got a phone case for my phone. So I got a clear phone case for my phone. I really think that's it. Oh, this is so much better. I can sit down and talk to you guys. It's in my makeup drawer. I haven't showed that yet. This vlog has been going on for the last like 4 days. This is the 15th hour and I'm just filming the outro because I forgot to do one last night. I don't know how many of you guys will actually be left at the end of the video, but I hope you guys enjoyed. I don't know how entertaining this vlog will be. I've just been me cleaning my room and renovating it, which has been really fun. I love renovating and changing my room. I've still got to do a bit more cleaning of the old room and fix that up and turn that into an office, but I won't really show you guys that. Let me know if you want a room tour. I'll tour my room in more of like a easier, better way and more of a shorter video so that everyone can see it, because I don't know how many people will actually be at the end of the vlog. But I love to show you guys my room fully completed in a couple of days when everything's been done. I'll film it and I'll put it up on YouTube so you guys can see what it finally looks like all in the end. But let me know in the comments if you want that video on a room tour. Let me know if you enjoyed and other stuff you want me to do, or if you have any suggestions on like a painting that I could put here or what I could put in certain spots. If you guys enjoyed this video, I don't know how entertaining it was or if you guys liked it, but let me know if you liked it, if you want to see more. I'm sorry this vlog was a pretty long one, but I just wanted to cover sort of mostly everything in me transforming my room. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!